Are there any examples of things that you have approached in the sustainability realm, or any goals you've set to try to make some changes, or things that you'd like to see changed?
Many of these components are packaged a large variety of ways, and there's a remarkably wasteful means of packaging these components. And anybody who knows me knows I've talked about this before. It's packaging these components into tubes, and you just literally, if you were to weigh out the plastic of how can I put 1,000 components into tape and reel, how can I put 1,000 components into tubes, the weight of the plastic literally has a significant impact. Why are we doing it this way? Why can't we use the most efficient way possible? I don't get to make components, I only get to use them. So I want to be an advocate for the manufacturers of these components to say, hey, can you come up with better plastics?
But maybe one area that we can have an impact is in the reclaiming and reuse of high value components, semiconductors, artificial intelligence chips. Some people may not know this, but the amount of energy that it takes to fabricate these chips is substantial. Even small, old type of semiconductor devices may require 5 kilowatt hours to fabricate, but the new chips can require up to 50 or 100 kilowatt hours to make one chip. So if we can reclaim chips rather than trash them, because there's no value in them, you're just going to burn them, there's nothing there. If we can reclaim them and extend their life, we're reducing the amount of energy that it takes to fabricate new chips. So I think that's going to have an impact. Might take a bit of time, but I think this is going to happen.